In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide modules in Zoho CRM, a key skill for managing your CRM interface more effectively. If you're looking to simplify your view or strategically manage which modules your team has access to, this guide will walk you through deactivating those modules with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho CRM dashboard and look for the Setup option. It's usually situated in the top right corner of the interface, so it should be easy to find. Once you're in the Setup area, you'll see a range of different options. For this task, we're focusing on customization. Click on that, and then head over to Modules and Fields. This area allows you to customize various modules according to your needs and fine-tune your CRM settings. So, once you're in the Modules and Fields section, you'll be greeted with a list of all the modules currently available in your Zoho CRM. These modules are essentially the building blocks of your CRM interface. Depending on your business's requirements, some modules may be more relevant than others. Our objective here is to find the specific module you wish to hide. Go ahead and click on that custom module. Clicking on it will open up more options and details about the module itself, preparing you for the next steps. Now, in the top right corner, you'll notice a small icon represented by 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More menu. This menu houses additional options that can be applied to the module you're working with. So, click on this icon, which will present you with a list of further actions that can be performed. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Deactivate Module. This is the option you're looking for to successfully hide or disable the module from regular use. Selecting this will prompt a confirmation action. Confirming the deactivation is an important step, as it ensures that you're making changes intentionally. It's crucial to be certain about this action, because deactivating a module means it won't be accessible for regular use until you decide to reactivate it. When you click Confirm, the module will be successfully hidden from view, simplifying your team's CRM interface and allowing you to focus only on the most necessary modules. And that's all there is to it. Remember, the ability to hide modules not only helps in decluttering the CRM workspace, but also empowers you to tailor the CRM environment to suit your specific business needs. This process is reversible, so should you ever need these modules again, you can easily reactivate them by revisiting the same steps. I hope this guide helps you better manage your Zoho CRM setup and create an interface that best fits your workflow. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your CRM experience.